Wow, was I an idiot to hold on to Alibaba? Alibaba is down 2% today, and it's been going down for a very long time. Like today, it hit another 52 weeks low, hit a low of 74.42. And it can't even break $75. And the entire market is up right now. So imagine the entire market goes down. What's going to happen to Alibaba? It's going to sell off even more. Alibaba and most of the Chinese stocks doesn't go up with the market. It only goes down. And of course, it goes down even more when the market sells off. So what the heck is going on? So this news came out today, this November 29th. This is from Fool.com. It says, once again, bad news for Alibaba. Might not be as bad as you think, but honestly, for me, it's bad. Alibaba stock market's fourth straight day of declines on Wednesday, falling another 2.6%. That sounds bad, but actually the stock's really down only about 5.5% since Thanksgiving Eve. Okay, so not a huge loss, but still, why is a stock valued at less than 11 times earnings and only 8 times free cash flow falling at all? It says Alibaba is shrinking. Yesterday, we took a look at Alibaba's announcement that it's closing down its quantum computing research business, boxing up its equipment, and donating it all to university rather than continue losing money on the project. Management has previously blamed U.S. restrictions on export of advanced computing chips for its inability to make sufficient progress in quantum computing and artificial intelligence to justify the expense. Today, we learned that Alibaba is cutting its investments even more. E-payments company Alipay, which according to S&P Market Intelligence is majority owned by Ant Group, but according to Ant's 2020 IPO, is still 32.65% owned by Alibaba and may be taking marching orders from up top, has decided to sell its 3.4% stake in Indian food delivery giant Zomato. Apparently, Reuters first reported this yesterday, but about the same time the quantum computing news came out. But to be honest, this is the first time I'm hearing of it. Bad news could be good news for Alibaba stock. Is that really bad news for Alibaba? I mean, sure, on the other hand, Alipay selling Zomato means Alibaba won't participate in any future growth, but Zomato has never earned a profit and therefore isn't currently contributing to Alibaba's bottom line. On the other hand, when Alipay collects the $400 million that it will reportedly be paid for its stake in Zomato, this money should immediately flow up the corporate ownership chain toward Alibaba, boosting the company's profits somewhat. So you can see everyone is trying to find some way to make it positive. Again, it's all about political risk. I've been covering Alibaba since it was in the high 300s, and look at where it's at. It can't even break $75. Last week, people were saying, oh, it's going to go up to 80, it's going to go up to 80. And I kept making the videos, but I'm stupid for staying in, knowing that it's going to continue to gap down. What, tomorrow's going to be the fifth day it gaps down? Again, it's not about fundamentals. And every day you will hear people say, keep buying Alibaba. It's so cheap. It's so undervalued. PE ratio is under 15. Yes, it might be oversold, but a stock can become more oversold. Again, I said this yesterday. I don't understand why people are buying calls. Look at the calls. 77 strike today. 11,000 volume traded. Yesterday it was 80 strike. Well, since the stock is down, they're moving up their strikes to 77. And guess what's going to happen on Friday? These are going to become worthless, which is in 2 days. What are people thinking? Why are people buying calls? Do they know something that I don't? Because I don't see any news coming out. And the news that does come out, they're bad. They're pretty bad. And like I said, the overall market right now is extremely overbought. So, hey, what's going to happen there when the market flushes down? It's going to bring Baba along with it. It's going to sell off even more. And like I said, when Baba have green days, it only goes up maybe half a percentage. But when it goes down big. Yesterday it was 1%. Today it's over 2%. What's going to happen tomorrow? Another 1%, another 2% Friday? And every time there's a small bounce, people get so excited. And guess what? It's going to gap down. It's so crazy how we know what's going to happen with these Chinese stocks, but we can't get away. We can't sell it because we're so married to a stock. And by doing that, we're missing out on other opportunities. Just think, If we had put our money into, let's say, Amazon, Google, Tesla, Nvidia, when it hit, when it broke, let's see, when it broke this $90 support, we should have sold it then. We would have saved some money. I would have saved a lot of money. Look at this. The only time it went up to over 100 was beginning of this year. And ever since then, it's been on a downtrend. Oh, we are at $75. Let's see, 2 more hours to go. What's going to happen is going to bounce up a little bit to attract more buyers just for it to go down tomorrow. I mean, it's been selling off. What's going to change? Let me know in the comments. Did you sell Alibaba or are you still buying it? Thanks for watching.